Polars for Finance. Episode 6. Rolling Windows. Moving averages, volatility bands, Bollinger, the grammar of every chart on every Bloomberg terminal. A rolling window is a fixed-width slice that walks down the time series, recomputing a statistic at every step. If returns are the language of finance, rolling windows are the grammar. 20-day moving average, 20-day rolling volatility, Bollinger bands. Today, 3 rolling expressions, then 2 derived columns. 14 tickers, 1 pass over the data. We're computing rolling means, rolling standard deviations, and Bollinger bands per ticker in 1 expression each. Open nvim. Save it as rolling.py. Sort by ticker and date first. The rolling assumes order. Three rolling columns in the first with underscore columns. 20-day simple moving average, 50-day moving average, 20-day rolling standard deviation, each 1 dot over ticker. Second with underscore columns, Bollinger upper, Bollinger lower, the classic formula moving average plus or minus 2 standard deviations. You cannot reference a newly created column inside the same with underscore columns call. Chain a second one. Polars still fuses the query into a single pass. Filter to Apple, select the columns we want, take the last 8 rows, the recent state of the rolling window. Then the null count sanity check. With window 20 and 14 tickers, the rolling column has 266 nulls, 19 times 14. The proof that the window ran per group. Save and run with Python. Apple closes around 273. The 20-day average is 276. The 50-day is 272. Bollinger bands span $20. Nulls are exactly 266 and 686. Three things to take away. First, pl.col close.rolling_mean window _size 20 over ticker is the substitute for every pandas group by plus rolling pattern. 1 line, 1 engine pass. Second, the 2-stage with underscore columns. Stage 1 builds rolling primitives from the raw close. Stage 2 uses those primitives to build derived columns like Bollinger bands. You cannot reference a fresh column inside the same with underscore columns. Third, the null prefix is your proof. Window size minus 1 rows of each ticker have null in the rolling column. Count the nulls. If the count is wrong, dot over ticker is missing, and the rolling crossed ticker boundaries. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped. Subscribe to the playlist for the next episode.